Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Honor Watch 6, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on this watch. So let's get started. And to turn on our watch we need to press and hold the crown button and keep holding it until the Magic OS logo appears on the screen. If it doesn't appear, hold the button for a few seconds and then release it. But as you can see, it appeared, so we can release the button now and then wait until the watch is done booting up, which takes a few seconds. And here we have it, we're back in the system, or we're in the system now after we turned on the watch. And basically that's how you turn on this device. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.